Timed avoidance challenge. Dodge chain blade for 2 minutes. Okay then. So I just have to not get hit. Alright, let's see. All I have to do is not get hit. Come on then. Like, it's not hard to not get hit by this guy. It's mainly the B2 brawler that's like really hard to not get hit. Come on then. I wonder if it will count even if it just hits my shield. You need to stop telegraphing your moves, bro. Making it a bit too easy for me. Come on, mate. Try a little harder than that, please. Oh, that was a bit close, wasn't it? Not really, but just want to make you feel better. I'm just trying to find out if my multiplier applies to my winnings here. Because if so, that would be amazing. Yeah, keep wasting time by screaming at me. Go on. That worked. Just a few more seconds. Come on, mate. Easy. Let's go. The chain blade challenge. Of course I can do the chain blade challenge. Of course I can. Like, if I manage to not get hit once, I can definitely defeat chain blade. Watch. Okay, they're not doing much damage, not gonna lie. And not getting hit. Ha, lol. Light work. Easy. So let's defeat the B2 brawler. Why not? Oh, I thought I'd lost my Oh, okay, I've still got one more. That's it. No damage. Let's go.